Hello everyone and welcome to Coding with Bharat. So in this lecture let's learn the importance of math in quantum computing. So firstly, what is quantum computing? So quantum computing is a new type of computing that uses the principles of quantum mechanics like superposition and entanglement to process information in ways that the classical computers cannot. Now coming to the importance of math in quantum computing and in quantum computers. So basically, math provides the language. So simply it provides the language to the quantum computing and to quantum computers, mainly through linear algebra. And in linear algebra, we know vectors, all these comes under linear algebra. So vectors, matrices or matrix, tensor products. So basically it provides the language of quantum computing mainly through the usage of linear algebra, that is vectors, matrices and tensor products. And coming to the second one, uh, it uses probability theory. Okay, it uses probability theory too, and it helps in describing quantum states. Okay, so basically probability theory is used to describe the probability of the quantum states. Okay, so that is why probability theory is used. Now coming to it uses complex numbers. Okay, it uses complex numbers, and these are used to represent the quantum gates and the quantum evolution. Okay, so complex numbers are used to represent, so they are used to represent the quantum gates. Okay, and there are other algorithms like Shor's factorization algorithm and Grover's algorithm. So these algorithms are built on deep mathematical concepts. Hence, these math related concepts plays a huge role and a vital role in understanding the quantum computing and the computation between the quantum computers. So thank you so much for listening to this tutorial. Thank you so much.